Hello everyone, my name is Fred Boggs. I'm here to tell you about the Velma Body weight loss program that they have come up with. This is unique. There's hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people will tell you this stuff really works. Not only is it healthy for you, there's all kind of drinks they have available, but this is a unique opportunity to grow your own business from home. This thing really works. You got to see it for yourself. Check out Ning's blog at ningboggs.velma.com. You will see a lot of results. And this is the best oxidant. They grow this material where my wife Ning lives in the Philippines. We have got a great business going there, and soon there will be all this product will be available at the Philippines. But right now it is available here in the United States. Come see her blog, and hope to see you there, because this is a great price and a great opportunity to join and have your own business.